found something in my magic room, and I am going to see if these kids can guess this, okay? Now, whoever says it out loud first gets $5. But you got to say it correctly, okay? Now, Lucas, get ready. Here we go. Whoever says it first, okay?
It's a CD. Video keeper. Video recorder.
Come on.
A tape. A tape.
What kind of tape is
Tape
this?
recorder. A CD.
Really? Nobody does.
No, it's a video tape.
What's it called then? What kind of tape?
A magic tape. It's a magic tape.
It's a magic tape, but not. Wait, what is this tape called? Anybody?
Magic tape.
Nobody knows what this is called. If you know what it's called, comment down below. I can't believe this. All right?
Video tape.
Nope.
Is it that?
Can I guess?
No, I know you know what it is. You guys really don't know that.
No. Or it's a video recorder.
Nope. All right.
Video tape.
You ready? Black tape. It's a VHS tape.
What the? That?
You never heard of VHS?
No.
All right, now I'm going to actually show you how to work a VHS tape into a VCR. You turn the VCR on. There's a VCR. These are actually two DVD players. We'll do that another time. What you do is you take the tape, and all you do, there's a big old slot. You just slide it right. Sorry, there was something in there. Let's see what this is. This is going to be exciting. Oh, 8-minute abs. Good tape. All right, so what you do, you place your tape inside there like this. You press the play button. There's a play button. Yep, there we go. Now there's a fast forward button that you hold. This was also illegal. Let me show you this. It was also illegal to actually copy any of these tapes. They could fine you $250,000 or up to 5 years in jail. Okay, so you press the forward button there to go through. Look at that. You press the forward button to go through all of the commercials. Okay, and very easy, simple. And you press it again like that, and it should pop right out. Oh, look at that. It pops right out of there. Now, if you ever rented one of these, what you'd have to do is you would have to make sure you rewind it, or they would actually charge you, I don't know, I think it was 50 cents up to $1 if you didn't rewind it. So after you watched your movie or whatever you're watching, you had to make sure you rewind it before you returned it to the rental store. Now, like I said, you can actually copy, you could not copy these, but if you were wanting to copy something like a home video and give it to your family member, you'd have to hook up 2 VCRs, play one, and record right there on the other one. And that's how you did it. But, you know, I never, ever copied Star Wars 3. I never copied any movies. Now, a lot of people do make fun of me because I still have a VCR being 44 years old. So let me actually show you why I still have actually 2 VCRs in my house. Come on, let's go. Well, all right, let me show you why I still have a VCR. I'm also a magician, and what magician does not have a secret door? I do. Come on. I'm coming here. My magic room. Woo! Okay. Now, when I was young, I'd read a lot of books. Here's some of my books right there. But then this came out. They would actually teach you magic tricks on tape. Ta-da. There's the hidden secret, my folks. My friends. There's the hidden secret right here. Now, you ask how many of these I have. I actually have 2. I have a shelf over here, and then I also have a shelf in here with a bunch of them too. And you ask how many do I have? I probably have over 300 of them actually. And then I also have some DVDs. But you ask yourself, how much are the VHS tapes? Well, back then they were about this. I found a price tag on this, $35. $35. So if you times $35 by 300, that's like $10,000 of these tapes. It's crazy. So that is why I have all that. Now, on our next session, I'm going to show you exactly what this is right here. Yeah, look at that. Look at this. Does this come out? Oh yeah, look at that. You remember that old days? Then you had to put a pencil in there and wind it up like that. Yeah, perfect. And that is how making magic memorable. There you go, making magic memorable. There you go. And I hope you enjoyed my little lesson there today. Thanks a lot. See you.